All right, for this one, 72x to the second and 144. So let's take 72 and 144, start doing our division. So usually with numbers this big, you're definitely going to use something bigger than 2. They're both even, but with numbers this large, there's probably going to be something bigger than 2. But these numbers are really big, so I think I am going to use 2 just to make them a little bit smaller, and then maybe I could use a number bigger than 2 after that. So 72 divided by 2 is 36. 144 divided by 2 is 72. Now 36 and 72 definitely is going to have something bigger. When I see those numbers, I'm thinking 3, 4, 6. So let's jump straight to 6. But again, if those numbers are still too big, they're still even. You could always do another 2. But I think I'm going to jump up to a 6 and just see what happens. So 36 divided by 6 is 6. 72 divided by 6 is 12. They are still even. Like this is a pretty cool one. But 6 goes into itself. 6 also goes into 12. So you could keep doing 2, but this is going to get pretty big if you keep doing 2. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but I think I'm going to do another 6 and just leave it at that. 6 divided by 6 is 1. When you get a 1, you're definitely done. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So yeah, anytime you get a 1, you are definitely done. And I haven't said this thus far, but the GCF can be 1. You can have 2 numbers that there's nothing that you can divide out in the birthday cake. So don't be afraid if you get to the problem and that you can't find anything to divide, because sometimes there is nothing to divide. I didn't say that thus far, so I needed to do that. So the GCF, we're going to take the 2, the 6, and the multiply. 2 times 6 times 6. So 2 times 6 is 12. 12 times 6 is 72. So the GCF is big. It's 72. Now for the x's, I have 2 here, but here I don't have any. So I can't circle an x from either one. So guess what? They don't have a variable in common. They don't even have one x in common because the 144 doesn't have any. So my GCF is just going to be a number this time, and that's okay.